Hallelujah. Before you, Lord, I kneel. I give my heart to you. I want to learn from you. I long to be in your presence. Draw me closer every day. Teach me to walk with you. Remove everything that stands between you and me. Pamberi Penyu, Ishe ndinofukama, moyo wangu ndinupa kwamuri, ndinoda kudzidza kuba kwamuri, ndinoshuvira kuba muvambo rwenyu, ndiswededzei pedyo nemi, ndidzidzise nzira dzenyu. Besides voze zinondiparadzanisa nemi, ndinoda kukunamatai. Phambi kwako nkosingiyaguka, nginikela inhliziyo yami kuwe. Ngifuna ukufunda kuwe, ngilangazelela ukuba sebukhoneni bakho. Ngisondeze Nkosi, ngifundise indlela yakho. Susa konke okungahlukanisa, ngifuna ukukhonza. Delante de ti, Señor, me arrodillo, te entrego mi corazón. Quiero aprender de ti, anhelo estar en tu presencia. Acércame más a ti, enséñame tu camino, quita todo lo que nos separa. Quiero adorarte por siempre. Lord, I kneel before you. Slowly are you